This might be the best way to get up to this gold mine.
Yourself a stone for me until I saw what's happening inside. I was made question means, but they don't know what's best for me. I'm on my way to be happy. You won't be the last. You won't be the last. You won't be the last. You ain't got to.
All right, we have arrived in Aruba. Look at this water that we're sailing past coming in. That's a little bit of a reef there. Don't want to be on that side. All right, we're arriving in Aruba here. You can see it over here. We got something special today. I can't wait to show you in this port because it's going to be exciting. It's on our Viator store, UTVs, ATVs. Hot Rod Betty over here. Don't miss the end of this video because I'm going to show you a great place to finish your stay in Aruba. But for now, I got to get to land. Welcome to Aruba for the ultimate tour. A must-do tour. If you're coming to Aruba, you got to come to do this. All right, this is the port of Oranjestad. When you get off the cruise ship, you'll get all kinds of guys creating tours right here. But we're a little early. We're gonna do a little shopping before we get there. And right when you get off, you'll have some shopping right here. Some of the local stuff. I always get one of these tags, Aruba signs, for my cars. That tag's got my attention. YouTube Aruba. I always like this little stand here. It's called Douchey Fruit. This is downtown Oranjestad right here. I got a whole video on this of downtown tour. Don't miss it because it's really cool. We give you all the highlights, including Eagle Beach. But this video is about UTVs, ATVs on the other side of the island. All right, you found this sign. You found the meeting place for the UTVs right next to the cruise ship. We're finally on our way to the stop on this tour from Viator we booked. Make sure you're checking it out. Link is in the description. And also...
I'm so sorry. Got it. Thanks for catching it.
I got that on camera. Oh, that was just a hat. We continue on.
Do have a swimming spot. Our last spot is going to be the beach, so you guys can wash off all of the dirt. But yeah, guys, that's it. Enough of me talking. You guys are properly bored. Let's start heading out, okay?
All right, here we go. Oh my God, it's gonna be dirty. All right, we're finally off on this ATV tour. Just some quick information on this tour. It's approximately 4 hours. Transportation is included from the cruise port or your hotel. And just so you know, you will be driving on some busy streets, some main roads, and just be prepared. You'll be going at some high speeds before we actually get to the desert where most of this tour takes place. Once at the desert, you're going to see some amazing, great coastal line shots along the ocean. Plenty of photo opportunities. Tip, don't wear white clothing like some people in our group. It will not be white for long. Bring lots of suntan lotion. You are next to the equator. The sun is very intense here. Now, this tour is a guided tour. You will have a tour guide and most likely a mechanic in case of any mishaps like we had on this trip. Don't worry, these guys take care of you. They will not let you stranded out here in the desert. And be sure to tip these guys at the end of the day. They work very hard to make your day happy in Aruba. It's the happy island. Look at this water behind us. We're heading over here. Check this out. All these rocks, there's a fort here. This is stop one. People have stood these things up here along this ocean. This is fantastic. This is just stop number one. This is so cool. Look way down there. I guess we're just gonna keep driving up this beach, but look here. You stop at a gold mine. I think he said 3 million pounds of gold came out of this mine. That is crazy. It's called Rabana Gold Mile Ruins.
Look, it's an old part.
There's the ocean behind. Is this a photo op or what? This is how you get here. ATVs. Stunning views here at this fort. Let's get on to the next. Oh yeah, they bring buses out at this place. You don't want a UTV it? Rent a bus. They're in my Viator store. This is like a crazy place to have a food truck. It seems like we're out in the middle of nowhere. Smoothies, margaritas, beer, food. You will also have many breaks for drinks and so forth, and they're going to show you different sites where you can get out and walk around. You will be able to purchase snacks and food at some of the stops, but drinks are included. Now, a few things that you're going to want to bring. You're going to want to bring a bandana to keep some of the dust out of your face and out of your nose. You're also, I would highly recommend you wear some kind of walking shoes. All right, you can see us here driving through. It feels like a desert or Australia or something like that. Don't wear flip-flops. Wear hard shoes or maybe even water shoes. There's a stop here at the end where you can rinse off, but you will get dusty. Do not wear white clothes. Do not wear anything that's high quality or good that you don't want to get messed up. Let's continue on to our next stop. Oh, and another thing. If you got a bad back, this also may not be the trip for you. There is some serious bumps on the way. They don't tell you that, but don't worry about it. That's why you rented the UTV.
All right, guys, this is gonna be our second stop, guys. Right now we're at the Waterloo Beach, and at the Waterloo Beach we have a natural bridge. We have 13 of no, we had 13. The biggest one, I called it the Mother Bridge. It was 100 feet wide and 40 feet high.
Check out this natural bridge. This is stop number 2. It is beautiful. You can actually go on top of this bridge if you want. I think there was another one. Don't quote me on this, but I think there was a big one here that collapsed at one point. Beautiful, right? That's a bridge you can climb up on, but look at the water. You cannot get in here. It's very dangerous, he said. Get some good pictures up there. Now, there's my wife up there. She's up on top of that bridge. That's not for me, though. You got to come here for yourself. Oh, one more thing. Do not hesitate to book this tour. I do these reviews to give you ideas of what to expect on certain tours. This one is a 5-star out of 5-star. If you don't believe me, check out the Viator store and read the reviews on this. This excursion is over the top. I don't know what these are. Look like Christmas trees. Hanging all the junk up. All right, sit here a minute.
I mean, I have to stay with everybody. Oh, I look it all up and coming.
Hot Rod Betty over here. Oh my God, this is bumpy, lady. The booby bouncer. Holy shit. Oh my God, how many's coming? Something's got to fly out here.
Yeah, we should.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my God. Did you see the lady on the back of that thing? She was laying flat. She couldn't even hold on.
I'm on my way to be happy. You won't be the last. You won't be the last. You won't be the last. You ain't got the rules. You left me a bruise. You won't be the last.
Oh God.
We had indigenous people, so they converted the indigenous people into Roman Catholic indigenous people. Then a few years later, during the 1800s, they left the chapel alone.
All right, this is the third or fourth stop. It's a chapel. Is that beautiful? It's like out here in the middle of the desert, in the middle of nowhere. But it is spectacular. Look at this thing. That's so cool. Capel de Alta Vista. Don't do what this guy did. He thought he could be smart and pass somebody. You can't even see him or his wife. You know she's pissed. This is a lighthouse. It's next to the last stop. Under renovation because apparently they're having a big anniversary for it. Check out this view of Aruba. Did you know Aruba had a desert side? Well, that's what we just went through. We're wrapping this day up. We got a beach stop yet. Check out the Yum Yum bus up here. Pina coladas, shakes, margaritas. All right, we're at our last stop here. It's a beach stop. So all this dust you can rinse off. And finally, we made it to this beach. I don't know how you get in. It seems to be the only entrance. Watch my Aruba. Eagles Beach. That's a beach. That's where you want to watch the sunset. This is one of the famous landmarks. They keep, last time I was here, probably about 9 months ago, they're still doing construction. This is supposed to be a shopping area, restaurants at some point. And right across that is this little place right here. Straw market stuff. This place is called the Little Fish. They got ice cream and gelato here, it looks like. If you're a shopper, you definitely want to come up this way. It's only a block from the cruise ship. This place is a must if you're a bar drinker. You like great food, come to the paddock. I give you a complete tour of this place. I may finish up here today, you never know. All right, if you come up here to where the mall area is, these boats come into the mall area and pick up their hotel guests. There's a hotel here. I'll show you the top because it's beautiful. But look how they maneuver this boat in here. These guys are professionals. Now, one place this does take you, it takes you out to Flamingo Island. If you're staying here, you can go out to Flamingo Island for nothing. But if you're not, you do have to pay extra to go out there. Now, watch how he maneuvers this boat out of here. That is service, staying at this hotel and heading to the beach for the day. We ate at Lucy's. This place is incredible. And let me tell you a little bit about this place. They got not only great drinks, they got a great bar area, but you actually sit out by the water. There she is with her margarita and the Venezia. That's a wrap. I hope you like this video. Check out our Viator. Book with these guys. I got links in the description too. Thank you for following along for the journey.